Hi, everyone. Welcome to episode 7 of the Dartle onboarding series. Today, we'll be looking at reports and player profiles. To access your player profiles and reports, and use the main navigation section to come down to the members list here and click on any particular player, you will be able to see their entire player profiles. So in the overview, you will be able to see all of the characteristics, physical characteristics that's been taken care of, his assessment reports, his latest assessment reports from different assessment tests, what group he belongs to, how he's progressed over time and during those assessments, what's his overall attendance during sessions, what are his key strengths and weaknesses, any academic course reviews that he's done, any feedback from coaches. All of this is now available. Now, if you want to simply add your latest feedback as a coach, this is where you can do it. Now, let's look at sessions. Now, similarly for sessions, you'll be able to see the information on the sessions. On here, for example, you're seeing last 10 sessions. You can change that to any date, any time. And once you select that, you'll be able to see the reports for all of his sessions here. What did he do? What drills did he attend? All of that information can be found here. You can click there to directly go into that session as well. Now, similarly, you can see his assessment report, what all assessments he has attended, any previous assessments that he's done, how his score has improved. Scored a 63 here before. Now he has gone up to a 72 in his score. So all of that information you can see there. You can click on previous assessment to see how he scored in this assessment as well. Now, academics as well, if there's any academic review, that'll appear here. Personality development or additional sessions that he's attended, any bridge courses, etc., that he's attended as well, right? Now, say you're doing a parent-coach meeting and you want to talk to the player and his parent, what you can do is you can select the date for which you want the report to be generated, and you can give that feedback. You can additionally also come here and give your feedback during this time, which will enable the parents to see what the coaches think about it, what are the steps for improvement, and what additional steps can the players take to do it. You can go to the bio here to update any personal information on the player, including his email ID, contact number that needs to be updated, parental contact information, any nutritional preference that he might have, and his educational qualification if required. You can also access this directly from the reports page here. You can access the player profile reports from this page directly here, which will take you through the same page. You can also access that information from the groups here. So this is the groups that we have taken. You can go to any player's report directly from here. Now, for player as part of multiple groups, you can change the groups here and see how he's performed under each of those groups separately. And all of this information should also be available to the player and the parent via their profiles. Whenever any score is updated here, whenever any information is updated here, the parents also receive an immediate notification and a live feed on their academy homepage where they will be able to see all of the information that's being updated. Now, based on this information, if you want to give development plans, Homeworks is the best place to give development plans to individual players. You can come here, select any group. Let's select the group that we created a little while ago. Within this, you can add any homework to any player. Within this, you can add any list of activities that you want to improve. Do 10 push-ups, 3 sets, add activity. You can see who's updated that, and you can see any videos that the student themselves have updated, and you can review that and add any reviews to your feedback. The parents and the players will be able to see that feedback, interact with it, make further changes and updates if required. That's it for this episode. I will see you on the next episode of the onboarding session. Thank you so much for tuning in today.